They fought, they thought, and finally brought the bright morning for us, for Indians, by their dedications, keen work, limitless efforts, and made the dreams of helpless peoples come true by gifting them the independent nation. So, good morning, all my jury members, my friends, and all of you sitting here. And I am here to talking about those who gave their best without thinking even about themselves to serve the nation their best. Whether we talk about rules and regulations they made, acts and laws, social reforms, and also the made equality amongst all. Our social.
Good morning everyone. My topic is as a society political reformer. एक समाज राजनीतिक सुधारक के रूप में आदरणीय मुख्य अतिथि महोदय, माननीय अध्यक्ष महोदय एवं उपस्थित मंच प्रथम में इस मंच को नमन करती हूँ और आज के दिन संविधान निर्माता को उनकी जयंती पर सबसे पहले उन्हें नमन करती हूँ। जब अंधकार अपनी पूरी ताकत लगाकर रोशनी को आने से रोकता है, ठीक उसी समय सूरज निकलता है और अपनी रोशनी की किरणों को बिखेर देता है। ठीक उसी तरह इस देश में छुआछूत थी, असमानता थी, महिलाओं को अधिकार नहीं थे। उसी समय डॉक्टर भीमराव अम्बेडकर सूरज की किरण बनकर आए और अपनी रोशनी की किरण को पूरे देश और समाज में उन्होंने फैला दिया। भारतीय संविधान की
बचपन से साये में जीते थे, बड़े हुए फिर भी रहे वही साये उनके पीछे। थोड़े समय में खूब पढ़ लिख कर गए, पढ़ाई पूरी करने विलायत भी गए। वापस आकर भी दिखी उनकी वही दशा, नामुमकिन पद को मुमकिन कर डाला। मकसद था उनको एक कट्टर इंसाफ दिलाना। गुड मॉर्निंग टू ऑल ऑफ यू। माय स्पीच टॉपिक इज डॉक्टर भीमराव अम्बेडकर एज ए पॉलिटिकल रिफॉर्मर। डॉक्टर भीमराव रामजी अम्बेडकर, popularly known as Baba Saheb Ambedkar, was one of the main architects of Indian Constitution. He was born on 14th of April 1891 in Madhya Pradesh in a lower caste Hindu family. He was a very well-known political leader, philosopher, writer, economist, scholar, and a social reformer who dedicated his life to eradicating untouchability and other social equality in India. Dr. Ambedkar worked for the betterment of people of India, particularly the downtrodden and oppressed class person. He gave his life working for the upliftment of the Dalits and socially backward. His great contribution in the social and political reformation can never go unseen. He was the chairperson of the drafting committee of the Indian Constitution. Baba Saheb Ambedkar legal expertise and knowledge of the constitution of different countries was very helpful in the framing of the constitution. His most contribution were in areas of fundamental rights and protection of minorities. He had complete faith in democracy. He emphasized democracy as a way of life. He gave enormous contribution in creating the democratic spirit of our constitution. He had devoted his whole life to remove untouchability. For doing so, he used education as the most powerful weapon. He believed that untouchability and injustice can be removed by educating the oppressed class person. He insisted on secular education to instill the values of liberty and equality among the students. He wanted untouchables to organize themselves politically. With political power, untouchables would be able to protect and safeguard their rights. So at the social level, he promoted education. At the political level, he devoted his whole life fighting for the rights of oppressed class persons on his overall program for removal of untouchability and injustice. Dr. Ambedkar is a unique example of success even in most adverse situations. Today, India is facing many social economical challenges such as casteism, communism, separatism, gender equality, etc. We need to find the Ambedkar spirit within us so that we can pull ourselves from this challenge. Thank you. My debate topic is Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar, a great thinker on democracy. Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar authored that the democracy is always changing its form. It is not always same in the country. He said that the purpose of modern democracy was not so much to put a curb on an autocratic king, but to bring about the welfare of people. For him, democracy means not only political democracy, but also social and economical democracy. The Ambedkar was ardent lover of the democracy. He said that freedom, equality, fraternity is my philosophy. He wanted to establish the principle of one man, one vote, and one value to not only for political life of India, but also social and economical life. He prepared the lengthiest constitution in the world, which various administrative details have been included. Baba Saheb defended it, saying that we have created a democratic political structure in a traditional society. If all details are not included, future leaders may misuse the constitution without technically violating it. Such safeguards are necessary. This shows that how much we cared for social injustice and how much he was aware of the practical difficulties which India will face once the constitution would have been implemented. He had complete faith in democracy. Indian National Congress leader Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru became the first Prime Minister of India, but the leader most associated with the independence struggle, Mahatma Gandhi, accepted no office. The constitution adopted in 1950 made India a democratic country, and his democracy has been sustained since then. So, Mr. Gandhi and Mr. Nehru also a great democracy thinker. Thank you.